Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. I hope you all are well. Guys, today morning I got this product from AliExpress. This is a bike wheel light. So in this video I'm going to unboxing this bike wheel light, and then I'll set up this light in my bike wheel and also show you the demo of this light. So let's start the video. So guys, on the front side of this packet you can see this light comes in 4 color: blue, yellow, green and pink. And at the back side, company mentioned the features of this light. At the below you can see to image and a notification. Please remove the battery stopper before use. So now I'm going to open the product. If you want to know more info, then you can visit the product page. You'll find the link in this video description. So here is the product. Finishing quality looking good. With this bike wheel light, I got 2 extra valve cap, which will help me to use this wheel light on my bicycle wheel. At the product description, seller mentioned that user can use this light at motorcycle, bicycle and also the car wheel. If anyone want to use this light on bicycle wheel, then user need to attach this valve cap with the wheel light. To attach the cap, just place the valve cap like this and screw it. If you want to use this light at motorcycle or car, then you do not need to use this cap. So before installing this light at wheel, I need to remove the stopper. For removing the stopper, screw the light like this. Now here you can see the light circuit and the stopper. Below the stopper, batteries are installed. After removing the stopper, place the light like this and screw it again. Here you can see the wheel light now blinking. Guys, after installing this light on wheel, when your bike move, this light will turn on, and when you stop your bike or car, this light will turn off. Now if I show you this wheel light battery, here you can see the batteries of this light. This light needs 3 AG10 button batteries. Now if you replace this light battery, then you need to install the battery in this way. Okay, here you can see when I am shaking the light now turn on, and when I stop shaking, light turns off. Now guys, I am going to install this light on my bike wheel. So let's do this. Now first remove the bike wheel nozzle cap. Then place this side on the wheel nozzle cap and screw it. Okay, here you can see wheel light now perfectly installed. Now guys, I am going to install this wheel light on my front wheel. Okay, here you can see light installed at the front wheel. Now friends, I am going to show you the demo of this light. Okay, here you can see bike wheel rotating and lights are now turned on. Guys, when you increase your bike speed, your bike wheel will look like this at night. And here you can see I stopped my bike and the light is now turned off. So friends, that's all for today. I hope you like this video and also like this bike wheel light. If you are, please click on the like button. If you have any question, please comment below. Subscribe now for more upcoming tech videos of this channel. So thanks for watching this video. Please stay safe at home. See you in the next video.